Netflix cannot play title error. First of all, this video guide covers these error codes: 40,104, 10,018, minus 11,853, CM12646, minus 1,004, and 30,103. Here are some steps you can try out. 1. Place your device near the Wi-Fi router. 2. Switch to a faster data plan. 3. Switch to either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency band. 4. Reset and restart the Wi-Fi connection. 5. Pause or cancel heavy downloads. 6. Limit the number of devices. Connected to the same network. 7. Force close Netflix app. Then rerun it. 7.1 Launch force stop on your Android. 7.2 iPhone, check the active apps. 8. Download show for offline view. 9. Restore default connection settings. 10. Remove and reinstall Netflix. 11. Change date and time. 12. Change or turn on /off VPN. 13. Clear Netflix cache. 14. Uninstall malicious apps/extensions.